to this new video. Today we're going to be taking a look at these 53-foot well cars from Atlas, as well as these 6 Walther's Seamaster 50-foot shipping containers. So first off, I'm going to give you guys a look at these 6 shipping containers. So I got these two a little while ago. They're both from Walther Seamaster, as I said. They're in the JB Hunt livery. You can see they have some nice details. I forget what this is called. Corrugation, I think. I don't know. Some nice door details. Here's the other side. Here's the back, and here's the bottom. These two are both the exact same. Here, this one is Hub Group in the red color. You have the Hub Group logo, some nice markings. Here on this side is the door. You have some nice details. And then here on the back, some nice details as well. And then here's the bottom. Next is this other JB Hunt, but it's JB Hunt Intermodal. It's the same as the other ones, except this Intermodal logo right here. And then these final two, this is EMP. Take a look at that. So as I said, these are all from Walther Seamaster. And then finally we have a second Hub Group in the green color. It appears a darker green on camera than in real life. You can see the Hub Group logo. Some nice details, some reflective stripes on the bottom. Now we're going to take a look at the well cars. So these well cars are from Atlas Railroad Company, Model Railroad Company. These are HO scale 53-foot well cars. So opening up the box, you have some nice plastic packaging. It has these clips here. Just go ahead and pull those apart. And you get inside, and here are the well cars. So as we take them out of the packaging, here you have car A. Some nice photo etched metal walkways. Some nice grab irons. There are some extra pieces that come in the bag, as you can see here. I'm not sure what these are, but I will figure that out later. Second, you have your car C. You have the TTX logo here. Some more photo etched metal walkways that are see-through too. This piece is a little loose here, if you can see that. I'm not sure why that is, but it's not too bad. These trucks are a little wobbly, so I can fix that. And this piece, I'm not sure if that's supposed to come off or not, but I'm gonna try to be careful, as well as you should also try to be careful with this, as well as any models. And finally, here's your B car. These train cars have a lot of very fragile details because the car is made of plastic completely, except these walkways, which are etched metal, and then the wheels, and of course the screws and everything, but that doesn't really matter. But since these are made of plastic, they're very light. So if you're gonna run them in a train, You might want to put them at the back, or else your train will clothesline. I'm not sure what that's called, but it's like when it gets too taut and then things derail. So you might want to put these at the end or the front, and you're gonna want to have these in because they're gonna add a little bit more weight. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put these on the layout. Now these are kind of a pain to get together, just because there's this one piece in the way, but you're gonna want to be careful. It's pretty hard to get on. You have to get it just right. Now you can ignore the wire sticking up out of the track. I am in the process of wiring my layout. There's gonna be a video coming out soon on that. I'm working on it right now. Now these cars look really nice on the layout. They're very free rolling, but if there are like any irregularities in the track, they will derail just because of how light they are. You can see, well, you can't see, but they just derailed from me touching it. There is a little bit of, the track goes out of gauge a little bit right here, just because I accidentally hit it with my drill and it like twisted it up. But luckily this is at the end of the layout where there won't be any trains running. But these look really nice. And that's just gonna be the end of the video for today. There's nothing really much to show you guys. I will put some clips of me running them on my club layout after this clip. So I want to thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.